Why do we brush our teeth? My tooth is hurting so bad. Mom said I have cavities. Why would I get cavities? Oh, Nana, calm down first. I have a storybook in which the little prince also has a tooth decay. Let's see, how did it happen?
One day, there is a strange sound coming from the castle. Everyone is terrified. Where is this sound coming from? It turns out that it is the prince who is eating snacks stealthily. The little prince is eating like a little cat. The little prince's belly is as round as a ball. It turns out, in addition to his love of snacks, the little prince also has a bad habit. He doesn't like to brush his teeth.
I don't want to rinse my mouth.
What will happen to the teeth of the little lazy prince who don't brush? Bacteria grow in his teeth. So smelly, so smelly. We love it so much. I'll make a home in the little prince's mouth. Dirty teeth are my favorite place to be. The bacteria are getting more and more. Where are they hiding? One bacterium. Two bacteria. Where are 3 bacteria? 4 bacteria. Where are they hiding? Where are they hiding? 5 bacteria. The bacteria are all attracted to the dirty teeth. What kind of bad things are the bacteria doing? The bacteria are knocking on the teeth and turning healthy teeth into cavities. The cavities are so painful that the little prince doesn't want to eat anything.
Ouch! It hurts. It hurts so much.
The queen is so worried. Who can help the little prince? Policeman. Dentist. That's right, the dentist. The queen hires a dentist, and the dentist fixes the tooth decay. Little prince, eat less snacks and brush your teeth carefully so that you won't get cavities. Since then, the little prince has developed a good habit of brushing his teeth. Brush your teeth morning and night. Rinse your mouth after eating. Less snacking and more brushing. Goodbye, germs and bacteria.
Nana, the little prince doesn't like to brush his teeth, so he has tooth decay. I got it. I must brush my teeth carefully from now on. I don't want cavities anymore. Choose a good friend and brush your teeth to caca. Ask your mom or dad to help set up the device on the wash basin. Be careful not to drop it. Grab your little toothbrush. Squeeze some toothpaste. Brush your teeth with me. Brush teeth surface in circles. Brush all the upper and lower teeth. Brush the inner and outer teeth surface carefully. That's great! You've brushed away a lot of bacteria. Your teeth are getting cleaner. Hang in there. That's great! You've brushed away a lot of bacteria. You're almost done brushing. Keep it up. Brush the tongue gently. Gargle, gargle. Spit out mouthwash. Ow! I've never been to the dentist before. I'm a bit scared. I've never been to the dentist neither. Is it scared?
Hi, I'm Dentist Yaya. Don't be afraid when your teeth are sick. The dentist will help you.
Dentist, does it hurt to apply fluoride?
Don't be nervous. Fluoride application does not hurt at all. The light is very bright. We are going to start the dental examination. Open your mouth. Ultrasonic instrument. Buzz. Remove the black plaque with the ultrasonic instrument. Fluoride. Applying fluoride to the surface of the teeth can prevent cavity. Water suction device. The water suction device fluoride application is complete.
Applying fluoride is not painful at all. Thank you, dentist.
Fluoride can protect your teeth and make them healthier.